Hey, what's up? How's it going, guys? So I just received this in the mail today, well, yesterday, and it's from Nissan Parts Deal, and it's my nuts and bolts that I have for my rear suspension. Guys, a look to see what $200 of nuts and bolts look like. Ooh, cool. One of those. Another 4. And 2. Yeah, all these are going to be for the links that I ordered. I haven't told you guys what links I'm getting for the rear suspension. Oh, these are already open. Yeah. More nuts. Another one. I don't think they say what they go to. It's just part numbers, since Nissan does use the same parts for everything. These are the eccentric washers right here. See, just another bolt. And more bolts. So yep, that's pretty much it. All these. Yeah, like I said, the reason why I ordered it was because I didn't want to have to reuse the other ones. If you're gonna buy like new suspension arms and links, you might as well get new bolts. So all that, $200 and something. Damn. Yeah, so a lot of these are just for the suspension arms, the control arms, traction bar, all that stuff. So yeah, I cannot wait to get put back together. I miss driving my car. So all right, you guys, so this packaging list gives me a inventory of everything I ordered, and I did cross out my address because I don't want people to know my address. So it says right here, it has a item number or part numbers. See, you guys can really look at it. Say bolt to bolt fix link for special nuts 14. Bolt to disc eccentric rear suspension 5. Bolt affix link bolt 6, and 2 other bolts. So if you guys can see it, NissanPartsDeal.com. These guys, you know, it's a Nissan warehouse, so they should have every nut and bolt. It did take me a while to look at the schematic of the rear suspension and to go write down the part number with the quantity that I needed. If you guys are to do the same, there are different drop downs for the DE and the HR. So whenever you're ordering bolts and nuts and all that, always pay attention to the drop down. Do not order for the wrong trim or model or whatever.